What did you learn about starting your own podcast?
Listen, I learned a lot from you guys. I think I've learned a lot about the technique. As loud as I am, as ADHD as I am, moving around a lot, I've learned to work with my own weaknesses and lean into opportunity for growth and always working on myself. But I think the biggest thing that I have learned is to take up space. I think I've learned that I have something to say. And I love learning from other people and having the ability to expand my thinking of the world and collaborating with other people. It's always brought me so much joy. But what I've learned about myself is how to have the beginner's mindset, I suppose, and how, every interview is different. There has not been one single interview, no matter how you prepare, that you can replicate. And it is rolling with the punches and just embracing it as it is. What's interesting for me is, we talk a lot about the skills of the future. I really believe that podcast teaches you all the skills that you need for the future. It teaches you critical thinking. It teaches you agility, how to deal with uncertainty, how to have foresight, how to really interrogate things. And I think that's also another thing I've learned, is to embrace duality and critical thinking, and not always agreeing with your guests, but sometimes, challenging things that are being mentioned. I just think podcast is just the way to go. It's like the yellow pages of contact, and it's the new website is podcast. I think we still have a long way to go. But also what I think is so important when it comes to podcasting is we need more women doing podcasts. And the reason for that is I think they've done a study of over 100 trending podcasts, and found that most of these podcasts were actually by men and not by women, and that actually their guests that they invite are men, so women don't get their voices more elevated. So what better way to create your own media company, your own media house? Look at Oprah Winfrey, how she's done it. She's created a whole media industry around herself as a brand, and I think that podcast lends itself to that. It's like there's nothing you can't do. Does that make sense?